Well. Okay, let's not do that. Hi, my name is Ellie and I am an artist, a makeup artist also. And if you are here watching my video, first of all, thank you so much. Second of all, I'm really awkward. Third of all, I fangirl a lot. Fourth of all, please remember to be kind and also to love yourself. And if I have made you smile at all at any point in this video, then my job here is done. Have a fantastic day. Did I say that weird? Yeah, probably. And please don't forget to subscribe and like and comment, and you can follow me and all my other fancy stuff. Okay, I'm done. Peace. Hi guys. So okay. Hi guys. So today we're gonna be filming Starfire, or my interpretation of Starfire. I've been wanting to do her for a while, so today is the day that I tackle her. Gonna do sort of a Teen Titans version mainly, really, which is why my eyebrows are like this. Pre-did that off camera, and I also drew the outline of her costume before I started filming as well. Yeah, thanks for watching. So Starfire has, hold on, orangey red eyebrows. So I'm going to use the Maroon hair white to make my eyebrows. I forgot that this is how this movie starts. I'm watching Space Jam, so I was like, sorry for the AD. Yeah, so I'm using Maroon's hair white and applying that to make my eyebrows as white as possible, so that then I can make them red. I grab a spoolie or eyebrow mascara one, disposable one, and I just grab the hair white and brush my hairs. I always like the music in Space Jam. So she has very natural eye makeup on. I'm not going to do that. I want to make her look extra AF. So I will be doing a sort of fluorescent green eyeshadow look with intense wing eyeliner and intense lashes and creepy, very creepy eyebrows. We'll see how that'll go. So my eyebrows are going to be, go for this color right here. It's kind of like, are you seeing that? Are you seeing, like, that's what happens when you depot your eyeshadows unprofessionally. Don't do it. This is from the Dare to Create palette, which is why I also can't tell you the name of the eyeshadow because I did not label it. Painting your eyebrows. Wait for the best. The next eyeshadow base in white. I'm gonna go with some greens. Cool military green like tones on the outside, and then in the middle it'll have a very pop of a lime green, glowy green, which is how her actual eyes usually glow in the comics. So that's where I'm taking the inspiration for the eyeshadow from. These are the cool tones. Look at all those cracks. I'm gonna be taking colors from the cool tone side of the Dare to Create palette from Morphe. Push, 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 and blend in circular motions. I take this basically fluorescent green yellow from the Urban Decay Electric palette. It's called Thrash, and I'm going to apply it with a packing brush, but then fix this spray on the eyeshadow on the packing brush, not on the actual eyeshadow palette, because then you're going to mess up your eyeshadows while you're doing that. So you just apply the fix spray on the eyeshadow, and that will enhance the color and make it stay longer on your eyelid as well. Take a darker green with a look good. There you go. This is the M507. Honestly, like if I don't have this brush when I'm doing eye makeup, I don't know what to do with myself. With this, I'm just darkening the look a little bit. this palette I've been holding the entire time. This is the Kat Von D Alchemist palette. It changes eyeshadows. I know they will look white hair, but like it's beautiful. They have a blue, a purple, a green, and sort of a pinky. They're all iridescent shades that either on their own is just a subtle iridescent glow, or over an eyeshadow of the respective color it just changes the glow completely. So I'm going to apply the green on the inner corner of the eye just to lighten up the area a little bit. Let me talk to you guys about what I'm going to do with my skin. So Starfire has a bit of an orange skin. Basically I'm going to take my regular foundation, which in this case I will be taking the L'Oreal GoPro the L'Oreal Infallible Pro Glow. I don't know why I said GoPro. Pro Glow in 203, and from the Makeup Forever Flash palette. And from the Makeup Forever Flash palette I am going to make orange with the yellow and the red, right? Just a little bit, just to give it. I don't want to have orange skin because then I could easily just paint myself orange. This is just to have more of an orange hue, and that's why I am using the foundation with it. And I start mixing the foundation with set cream. FYI, this is the first time I've done this. I have no idea if it works. I think it does. Real Techniques blending brush, and let's pray for the best. Okay, so I have to also paint this area right here, that is flesh, and now you can really tell the difference, like how more orangey and peachy I am here compared to the rest of my body. Cover up the last half of our eyebrows, so I'm going to take some very peachy concealer. This is my Makeup Forever one, and I'm going to take this one, apply it very heavily onto the skin. Contour, I shall be grabbing this shade right here, maybe the same one I grabbed for the eyebrows. With the foundation brush, I'm just gonna, with no new foundation, but with the foundation that's left on the brush, I'm just gonna blend that in a little bit. I'm gonna use a combo of the MAC Cheeky Bronze Mineralized Skin Finish. Looks like that. And I just got this one. This one has a bit more of a gold tone, so we'll see why I will use it. But it's from Milani and it's called Day Glow. Strobe Light Instant Glow Powder 02. Hey Milani, hey. Okay, don't do. So this is the Anastasia Beverly Hills lip palette. I know I keep mine in such great condition. This baby right here. And I'm going to put a little bit of the Milani Glow on it. And we'll see what happens. Totally knew that was going to work out. Oh yeah. One side. These are my Maron Paradise AQ paints. I'm going to start painting the gem in Amazon Green. Okay, do not dance while painting a little while. Not a good idea. This part is so bad. I will change the color of the purple to more of a rich purple. This is very, like, I would say pastel, which is not really her color, but it would make a really good base for when I go over with the eyeshadows. Thank you. This is how you'll show up in this video.
No.
By having some skin showing through, it allows me to play with eyeshadows and highlights a little bit more, whereas the paint I have to completely draw in the dimensions of it, or the shapes of it, if you will. With a bit of a translucent paint, I can achieve that a lot easier and quicker, whereas with the paint is just flat, you know, so that will take a lot of time. Okay guys, so let's fix the purple first. I shall be using the Urban Decay electric palette for this. You know, I have work tomorrow, and if you've seen my videos before, you know that purple like just stains me for like about 3 days. So yeah, that's gonna be interesting. A combo of both the Urban and the Jilted. These two right here. Probably more of Jilted, which is the one that stains more. Yay! Shading, as long as it takes me to shade, like, it has to be one of the most satisfying things, because I like outlining, one, but two, you start seeing it, you start seeing the final look, so that this is really where you either like, okay, I like it, or you're like, oh my god, I don't know if I should even finish this right now. I'm gonna bring in some of that glow that I have from the Kat Von D Alchemist palette and the inner eyes, the corner of my eyes, to the gem as well, just to make it more cohesive with the look on the face. Ta-da! I miss my long hair! Hey guys, so this is Starfire from Teen Titans. I hope you liked the video. If you did, please remember to like and subscribe, and comment below if you have any ideas for me to do in the future. Doesn't mean I'm gonna do them, but I will consider them. Thank you, bye!